Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Plug a certified Lightning cable into your iPhone and the i20's USB port labeled CarPlay, or enable the i20's Wi-Fi/Bluetooth for wireless pairing. On your iPhone, unlock it, enable Siri in Settings, and allow CarPlay in Screen Time if needed. Once done, the car's head unit will prompt a connection. Accept it and select Apple CarPlay on the i20 display. This gets you past prerequisites and into the active pairing process. Once paired, you'll land on the CarPlay home screen, learn how it maps to the head unit and steering controls. Use the i20's touchscreen and physical buttons for navigation and media. Make sure microphone and audio levels are set in the car's audio settings so calls are clear. If you want a custom app layout, open iPhone settings, go to General then CarPlay, pick the i20, and rearrange apps. This explains both how the UI behaves and why adjusting layout improves safety and speed. Finish by testing core tasks. Start navigation, make a call, play music, and ask Siri something aloud. If CarPlay fails, first disconnect and reconnect the cable or toggle Bluetooth/Wi-Fi, reboot your iPhone and the i20 head unit next. Make sure iOS is up to date and CarPlay isn't restricted in screen time. If problems persist, try a different Apple cable or visit the dealer to check head unit firmware. That one troubleshooting tip usually resolves most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.